Good day, Robert Farrell here. Hey, you're about to watch a great recipe video on YouTube. I encourage you to get your own recipe website. I will help you for free how to do this. Take a look at one of my students, Becky. She actually earned over $700 within the past 2 weeks building this website. I have a complete turnkey system that you can earn from one step at a time, no experience necessary. In fact, I have a student of mine that I'm very proud of. She'll be 105 years old, August next month. She had no skills, no nothing. Now, she's been with me for about 5 years, since she was 99 years old. But she builds websites using my turnkey system, and she earns about $2,000 a month. She works about 4 hours a week. Now, you don't need to have your own recipes. You can curate recipes from YouTube. And my videos will show you exactly how to do it. Just simply click this banner ad. I will share with you one step at a time. Now, before you go, I want to share something else with you. I made special arrangements with a company called My Grilly. This is Grilly. I started using this about 2 months ago. It's an amazing product for cooking anything you can imagine. I cook things like salmon, peach, and kale, meatballs, French fries, Italian hot dogs in this device. It's absolutely amazing. So if you choose to check out my free videos and you sign up for one of my websites, one of my recipe websites, you will get 2 of these absolutely free, including shipping. Simply click the banner ad, go to my website, check out my free videos. But if you decide to get one of my turnkey recipe websites with all the bells and whistles, everything you need, you'll get 2 of these. These go for basically $30 a piece plus shipping. You'll get them absolutely free with purchase. So I'm here to help you every step of the way, but nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Stay home, stay safe. Carpe Diem 2020. My name is Robert Farrell.